Welcome to Ride Rich. Today we are looking at the Yamaha TW200, a simple but very unique dual sport motorcycle that has built a strong reputation for reliability and off-road capability. This bike comes with a 196cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine. It is not designed for speed or racing. Instead, it focuses on control, balance, and long-lasting performance. The power delivery is smooth and easy to manage, which makes it a great option for beginners as well as casual riders. One of the most standout features of the TW200 is its fat tire design. The wide rear tire gives it excellent traction on sand, mud, gravel, and uneven surfaces. This is what makes the bike so special. It feels stable and confident even on rough terrain where many bikes struggle. The riding position is low and comfortable, allowing riders to place their feet easily on the ground. This adds extra confidence, especially for new riders. The lightweight body also helps in slow speed control and makes the bike easy to handle in tight spaces. In terms of performance, the top speed is around 100 to 115 kilometers per hour. But the real strength of this bike is not speed, it is torque. It performs very well at low speeds, especially when climbing hills or riding off-road. The suspension system is built for comfort. It absorbs bumps and rough patches effectively, making off-road rides smoother. The braking setup is simple but reliable, with a front disc and rear drum combination. Fuel efficiency is another strong point, and maintenance is very easy. The bike does not have complicated electronics, which makes it more durable and easy to repair. Overall, the Yamaha TW200 is not about looking fast or modern. It is about being simple, tough, and dependable. A perfect choice for beginners, off-road riders, and anyone who wants a bike that can handle almost any terrain with ease.